ANZA is a series of shoulder-fired, man-portable surface-to-air missiles produced by Pakistan. Guided by an infrared homing seeker, the ANZA is used for short-range air defense. ANZA Mk2, Typeman Portable Air Defense System, Manpad's Place of Origin Pakistan Service Historian Service 1989P. Recent used by Sea Operators Warskargil War Production History Manufacturer Kahuta Research Laboratories KRL. RAQ Khan Research Laboratories produced 1988 variant ANZA MKI. ANZA Mk2. ANZA MKII specifications. ANZA Mk2, mass 16.5 kg 1, length 1.44 m, diameter 7.2 cm, warhead 0.55 kg, shape charge engine Iraq. ET motor propellant, solid propellant. Operational range 505,000 m, flight altitude 30-4,000 ms, speed 600 meters per second. Guidance system, infrared homing, launch platform, human vehicle. The ANZA is produced by Kahuta Research Laboratories KRL, being one of the facility's main conventional weapons projects. Development was originally undertaken to eliminate dependence on importing expensive foreign systems. 8 various versions of the ANZA are currently in service with the Pakistan Army, with the Mk3 version being the most recent. The ANZA is also offered for export, Malaysia being its only known export customer after receiving 100 ANZA MKI in 2002 and, later, a further 500 ANZA Mk2 systems.